we are getting to know that both Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor are in fact consulting their lawyers right now. Last minute consultation on the kind of questions and what they should be possibly avoiding in the questioning with the NCB. Sara is also accompanied by her mother, Amrita Singh, is what we have been told by our sources. So both these actors right now talking to their legal team to firm up their legal strategy. Going across now, in fact, to my colleague Devesh, joining us with more details. Devesh, last minute jitters as far as both the actors are concerned, speaking to their legal team to make sure that at least they are aware of the kind of questions that will be put forward to them so that they don't walk into any sort of trap as far as the NCB is concerned.
Yeah, Ankit, you rightly pointed out, this seems to be a last-minute update or last-minute preparation to face the Narcotics Control Bureau. Both the actresses are preparing themselves for a long round of questioning that they'll have to face at the Narcotics Control Bureau, and are consulting their lawyers through video conferencing so that they be prepared on what to be said for the questions posed by Narcotics Control Bureau. There's heightened activity over here at the Narcotics Control Bureau office. Police has cordoned off the complete area. Police has also put up a rope so that the media personnel do not enter the pathway from where the vehicle ferrying the two actresses enters this enclosure where the Narcotics Control Bureau office gate is. The complete area has been barricaded. The road has been shut for public transport for the day. This is in the Balad Estate area where Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor are to arrive. Sources have told us that they've sought time till 12:30 p.m. To arrive at the NCB office to join investigation, and after that they'll be grilled. They'll be asked questions regarding their chats and alleged drug consumption and procurement as well. Ankit?
So the latest that we are getting is that Shraddha is expected to reach around 12 and Sara is going to reach at about 12:30. Munish Pandey continues to be with me. Munish is here at the NCB office where Deepika Padukone is being questioned. Munish, you know, just to differentiate between the line of questioning and between, you know, as far as Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan is concerned, Deepika, Shraddha, Rakul Preet are all being questioned into the larger net of the drug consumption or the alleged drug syndicate in Bollywood. Whereas Sara Ali Khan in particular will also be asked some very personal questions. I mean, this is, of course, you know, in a way, you know, uncomfortable questions about her personal life being brought forward. But there is a direct connection as far as Sushant Singh Rajput case is concerned with Sara Ali Khan.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.